Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing how I exfoliate that helped clear my post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. My name is Tahwah and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share skincare tips and product recommendations to help you improve and get your best skin possible. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, then definitely keep watching and do consider subscribing so you don't miss my other videos. Let's get right into it. So exfoliation is the process of helping your dead skin cells turn over using certain products or techniques. A lot of people use the traditional forms, which is sugar and apricot scrub. But today I'm going to be sharing how I exfoliate that helped clear my post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So there are two forms of exfoliation, the physical exfoliation and the chemical exfoliation. The physical is like the manual form of exfoliation, and that pretty much is using mechanical form to exfoliate. People use apricot scrubs or sugar scrubs or the spin brushes. Those are your physical exfoliating process. The chemical exfoliation, I call that the automatic exfoliation process. This is just pretty much using product that will then exfoliate your skin without you doing anything. And under the chemical exfoliants, there are about four forms of chemical exfoliants: the AHA, the BHA, the PIH, and the enzymes. So the AHA is the most popular. That's the glycolic acid. That's pretty much the strongest form of exfoliation, and I don't really advise using that if you're not very familiar with exfoliation. The PIH is, however, the most gentle form of exfoliation. It gets you there very slowly, but it still gets you there, and that's the best form of exfoliation for people that are new to exfoliating, you know. But in my case, I use the enzyme form of exfoliation. So the enzyme form of exfoliants are also very gentle. It is derived from food like pineapple, papaya, and pumpkin. So I use the Peter Thomas pumpkin enzyme mask. So here's how I exfoliate using the pumpkin enzyme mask from Peter Thomas. The first thing I do is my double cleanse. So I use the simple micellar water to wipe my face with the sponge. The sponge is very soft and fluffy. It's way better than using a cotton pad. So I wipe my entire face with it. And the next thing, I use my cream cleanser to do a gentle cleanse for 60 seconds. Right after doing this, I use a fan brush to apply the mask all over my face. So the pumpkin enzyme mask has a bunch of gentle hydrating ingredient. It does have AHA in it, so you want to be careful before using this during the day, because AHA makes your skin sensitive to sun damage, and that's why I do my exfoliation at night. But this is a very great mask if you have sensitive skin. So I just use this and leave it on for about 20 minutes. It says leave for 10 to 20 minutes. I leave it on for about 20 minutes, and while I have it on my face, I use a face roller. So I got this face roller from Amazon and I just throw it in the freezer for a couple of hours so it's really very cold, and then I use it to massage my face. This just gives me a very cooling effect. It feels really great, and I do feel like it kind of makes it absorb better into my skin. And then right after doing that, I just wipe it off with a washcloth. I prefer to wipe off than to rinse because I don't like to drench my face in water, but you can rinse it. If you're getting value from this video, please smash the like button. I'm gonna link everything I mentioned in this video in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next Friday. Bye, guys. Mwah.